Laksa is a curry noodle dish popular in Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. It features noodles served in a rich curry gravy made from a blend of coconut milk, spices, and shrimp paste, accompanied by toppings such as fish cakes and prawns. Laksa is a comforting dish that embodies a fusion of flavors and techniques from diverse culinary traditions, with influences from Singaporean, Malaysian, Indonesian, Chinese, and Peranakan cuisines. First, let's go over some of the key ingredients. Dried prawns or shrimp, Malaysian shrimp paste known as belacan, lemongrass, red chilies, shallot, turmeric, galangal, Hokkien noodles or lo mein egg noodles, rice vermicelli noodles, coconut milk, Chinese fish cakes, candle nuts or bois karas, puffed tofu, and Vietnamese coriander leaves or zao zam. First, peel the turmeric. Turmeric can stain your hands, so you may want to wear gloves. Now let's make the laksa gravy. In a blender, add galangal, lemongrass stalks, turmeric root, dried chilies, garlic cloves, shrimp paste, shallot, and candle nuts. Blend together. Add white pepper powder and blend again until the mixture is a fine paste. This spice paste is called rempah in Malay. You can make it with a mortar and pestle or in a blender. If using a mortar and pestle, pound well between each addition. In a pot or wok, heat half a cup of vegetable oil over high heat. Add the rempah spice paste to the oil. Give this a stir. Next, add some ground dried prawns. You can make this by soaking dried prawns for 15 minutes, then draining them and grinding until fine. Stir fry for 6 to 8 minutes until fragrant and slightly crispy. The key is to stir continuously so it doesn't stick to the pan or burn. Next, add some toasted coriander powder. You can make this by toasting 5 to 6 tablespoons of coriander seeds until fragrant, grinding them, and then using a sieve. Add 2 cups of coconut milk and water. Let the full flavor of the spices infuse the gravy. Add 4 more cups of coconut milk and salt to taste. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat, stirring constantly. Turn off the heat and leave for 1 to 2 hours for the flavors to infuse before reheating and serving. Now we're ready to plate. In boiling water, reheat some previously cooked rice vermicelli noodles as well as lo mein egg noodles. Add them to the bowl side by side. Top this with boiled puffed tofu and some sliced Chinese fish cakes, followed by the laksa gravy. Next, top the laksa with julienned English cucumber, blanched bean sprouts, torn Vietnamese coriander leaves, a hard-boiled egg halved, and cooked shrimp. If adding cooked shredded chicken, do so at this point. And lastly, add your garnishes: fried shallots, a dollop of chili paste, a drizzle of fried chili crisp oil, and a lime wedge. Laksa offers a rich and aromatic flavor profile characterized by creamy coconut milk, fragrant spices, and a variety of toppings. This savory noodle soup is comforting and bold. Enjoy!